Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox error code 2 on your PC. First, we will clear the Roblox cache. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. Type %local app data % and press enter. A folder will open. Find the Roblox folder in this location. Right-click on it and delete it. This will remove old temporary files that may be causing the issue. After deleting the folder, restart your computer. Next, make sure you are not using a VPN or proxy. Roblox often blocks connections that come through VPN services. If you have a VPN turned on, open your VPN app and disconnect it. If the problem is still there, reinstall Roblox. Go to the control panel and uninstall Roblox from your system. Once it is removed, open your browser and go to the official Roblox website. Download the latest version and install it again. This ensures you are using clean and updated files. After completing these steps, open Roblox and check if the error is fixed. Thanks for watching.